Welcome to our step-by-step guide on adding in-person classes service to your Facebook page. Let's dive into the process to provide a seamless experience for your students. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages from the menu options. Next, switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the specific page you want to switch to and tap on your page's profile picture. Now tap the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate the Details section, then tap on Edit next to Detail. To add the in-person classes service, tap on Add Services and select In-person Classes from the options provided. Once you've selected in-person classes, be sure to tap Save at the bottom to finalize the setup. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily incorporate in-person classes service into your Facebook page, offering a convenient platform for your students to engage with your offerings, enhance your educational services, and connect with your audience by adding in-person classes to your Facebook page today.